Now we're on the flybridge of this beautiful Sirena with its owner, Willie. And he is going to tell us a little bit about his boating experience to start off with.
I've been boating in South Florida all my life since I moved here when I was 17. Was my first boat at 25, and I consider myself a seasoned boater.
So you've installed Yacht Controller on your last 3 or 4 boats, right? Why Yacht Controller?
Well, ever since I saw it on TV, I saw an ad on Yacht Controller. I started looking into it, and I said, "This is the way to go." So when I tried my first one, I said, "This is unbelievable." You know, I need it because I want to be close to where the action, where the dock is. When I'm captaining my boat, I close to the dock. I connect the Yacht Controller, and there you go. I'm there, I'm here, I'm everywhere. I have the bridge station, I have a side station, but it really, how many times do I use the station? I don't have to. I have station everywhere in the boat. And even when I'm already at the dock and they're adjusting the lines, you see people trying to push the boat. Wait a second, I don't understand why you want to push the boat. It's only a button away. Don't harass yourself. And it's so
Sounds like it makes docking much easier.
much easier. Nobody has to stress.